When you go to sister, what you will say?
Good morning, sister.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 5 old.
What is your name?
My name is Khongrymmai.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Khongrymmai.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Khongrymmai.
How many brothers have you?
I have one brother.
How many sisters have you?
I have one sister.
Where do you live?
I live in Bukadao.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is St. Bonnery School.
In which class do you read?
I read in Nagaland.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is St. Bonnery School.
Who made you?
God made me.
Where is God?
God is everywhere.
Do you love God?
Yes, I love God.
Very good. Name 3 fruits.
Apple, mango, banana.
Name 3 parts of the body.
Eyes, ears, nose.
Name 3 insects.
Mosquito, butterfly, ant.
Name 3 birds.
Parrot, goose, peacock.
Name 3 domestic animals.
Cow, cat, dog.
Name 3 wild animals.
Elephant, lion, tiger.
Very good. Show me your eyes.
Kiss,
Show me your nose.
kiss,
Show me your right hand.
kiss,
Show me your left hand.
kiss.
Very good. Read alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. Read numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Enough. Read one Bible verse.
Jesus was born in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Very good. Read the poem.
Early to bed and early to rest. Make some healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Very good. Very good. Read in verse. O-N-E-1. Look this side. Read in verse. O-N-E-1. Very good. Sing one action song.
Mommy, Daddy, I love you, I love you. See you, baby dancing, just for you, just for you.
Very good. Take Swiss.
Thank you, sister.
Take more.
No, thank you, anyone.
Take again.
No, thank you, anyone.
Very good. You may go.
Thank you, sister. Bye, bye, sister. See you again.
Very good.